Here's the mighty Bobo, the Viking doggy, and he's enjoying the canoe ride down the Mystic River. And there's Dossie and Jeffrey, the scaredy doggy.
I know that you feel the same as I do. Here's a threefold utopian dream. You do something to me that I can't explain. So would I be out of line if I said
They're going to lift the bridge up.
See your picture, I smell your skin on the empty pillow next to mine. You have only been gone 10 days, but already I'm wasting away. I know I'll see you again with a far or soon, but I need you to know that I care and I miss you.
And there is the Mystic the Mystic Bridge coming down.